So we have solving equations, multi-step equations, where there's simplifying to do first. And by simplifying, I mean distributing and combining like terms. Let's check it out. I see parentheses with the number out front, and there's this difference in between the number out front. So we know that that's a part that we can simplify through distributive property. I'm going to put a 1 in front of there as well. 1 there. All right, now let's go and distribute that -3. When I distribute the -3 to the 2x, I get -6x. Now, when I distribute this to here, all right, I could do it like this, so -6x. I could bring that down and get minus, and then distribute the -3 to the +4, right, because I already bring that minus down. So then I'd get -12. All right, but we know that minus a negative would really just be plus a positive. All right, so a lot of you put minus there, -12, but since we're doing a negative kind of times a negative, it's going to become plus 12. And this is the reasoning why it becomes plus. I just think of it kind of like negative times negative is positive, so put plus. But anyway, bring down that 3x. Now we're ready to combine like terms, and it looks like I have a -6 and a +3x. Remember to keep the symbol to the left, either the operation or the negative or positive, with the term. These guys just get written down. All right, now if I did -6x and +3x, a more simple way to write that would be -3x. Like if I told you to go out the door, take a left and go 6 in the left direction, and then turn around and come 3 in the back the other way, right? Then you would say, Mr. Woodruff, why don't you just say go 3 to the left? Like that's the same thing. It's a more simple way to say it. So that's what simplifying is. So then now we have everything simplified. There's nothing left to distribute, and we don't have any like terms to combine. So now we can start solving by using inverse operations to isolate the variables. So let's get after it. I'm going to do the +3x first, and that's going to cancel that out and give me -8 plus 2x equals 12. Now I go to the side of the variable, and I'm going to get rid of this extra term, and I'm left with 2x equals 20, and divided by 2, x equals 10.